Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to replace the trunk struts, also known as the lift cylinders or rear lift cylinders. The vehicle we're specifically working with today is a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited with a 3.3 liter engine. This should also work for any 2007 to 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe, regardless of variation, trim, model, or engine. The procedure, I'm going to provide everything you need for this procedure, ranging from part numbers to step-by-step clear views. So let's get to the video. Now when it comes to removing these, there's going to be 2 points of contact holding these on. One's going to be up top right here, and one's going to be on the bottom connected to the chassis of the vehicle. Now to remove these, if you look here, as you can see, there's a little clasp here, and this is a spring clasp. This applies tension to the ball joint that it's connected to, and you'll see a little slot running through the middle, which is the perfect size for a flathead. Take your flathead, slide it in there till it slides out, just like so, and as you're doing that, you're going to pull on the strut until it releases from the ball joint. So now that we know how to do this, let's see how we do it in action. Now before doing this, you are going to need a partner. Of course, I have my wife helping me. Yes, she got a little bump here, a little baby bump. But all you got to do is get your partner or your helper. Just have them hold up and push on the trunk so that it doesn't fall and hurt your head and bump you on the butt. So now that you know that, now we can continue replacing the strut. Alright, so now we're going to remove this. Once again, make sure your helper is holding up the trunk. Take your flathead, squeeze it in there, and then you're going to pull back. It's going to take a lot of force, and sometimes you'll have to shimmy it. Just like that, it's out. And now we can get the bottom one. Alright, now here's the bottom one. Same thing. Get your flathead, put it in there, give it a little shimmy, and just like that, it's out. Now when it comes to installing the new struts, it's super easy. First, clean off these ball joints and then lubricate them with some type of oil or synthetic oil. That way it keeps this from wearing down, which as you can see, I got a little bit of wear on this ball joint. So we're going to take our strut here, no tools, no nothing, set it over it, and pop it in place just like that. Now we can move to the top. Alright, now we're going to do the top one, same thing. Clean, lubricate, make sure your helper and you push all the way up to extend the trunk as far as it can, and push it in place. You have successfully completed this procedure. Complete the same thing with the other side, and you have completed this procedure. Alright, thank you so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped you out and that you learned something new. If y'all happen to need anything like owner's manuals or other tutorials or procedures, be sure to check out my website, caswellskappa.wixsite.com. Yes, it's mainly for the Kappa platform, but I also do other procedures for other vehicles, so be sure to check that out, just in case you have something else that you need to do or need to do something. Alright, well that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.